I18n Studio is a developer tool for I18n. For iOS, macOS, Android, and JS developers, multi-language translation will be a painful thing, but I18n Studio makes this matter very simple. Taking the iOS project as an example, first let I18n Studio load the multi-language files in the project and display them. Then click the Full Translation button, and I18n Studio will immediately translate the source language into multiple target languages. Thanks to the seamless integration with Xcode, the translation results will be immediately echoed to Xcode, so you can complete it without leaving the IDE. The same workflow applies to Versus Code in Android Studio. You can also add a new language to the project and click the Translate button in the column to support more languages for existing projects. If you are not satisfied with the translated content, you only need to fine-tune the translation through comments. For example, I18n Studio released, you can see that I18n Studio has not been translated in all target languages. Thanks to me, the comment I18n Studio is the application name. Please do not translate it. You can use it to meet all your translation needs, such as describing usage scenarios to make better translation results, capitalizing the first letter of all words, using plural forms, not translating international words, etc. It is very simple to use. If you want to know more, please visit our website https://I18n Studio.